Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So namhlanje uHugo Bros ubabizile abadlali abazoya kodlala kwiAFCON. Yabo, ubize the 23-man squad. Wase wabiza abadlali abathathu abazoba on standby just in case kulimela abanye abadlali mase yababiza ke nabo. So iyona ke list le ekuzonibizela wena bafethu. Amsho abanye benze beyibonile, amanye abena bekho happy but ke nami ngizokhipha uvo lwami ukuthi how do I feel about le list. So ngizoqala goalkeeper. Ngizoqala nje goalkeeper manje nikhumbule kahle ke goalkeeper debe ade kuzokhethwa kubona ade ku Ronwen Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sipho Chain, mase kuba uPeterson weKaizer Chiefs, Ronaldo Liena weSkukhune, mase kuba ulo goalkeeper wamaZulu. Yabo, ibona goalkeeper labo okuhlungwe kubona bafethu. Ronwen Williams obvious, South Africa's number 1, mase kuba uRicardo Goss odlalela isiwelele, mase kuba uSipho Chain weOrlando Pirates last season goalkeeper of the season. So you can tell me ngokwakho how do you feel abo amanye abantu bebengasho ukuthi mhlawumbe uPeterson uyadeserve ukuthi abe khona kule list le yebo goalkeeper abazoya kwiAFCON. Yabo, you may tell me in the comments how do you feel, but ke ibona goalkeeper laba bazo representa iBafana Bafana ngeAFCON, ibona abazovimba ama goal masukuza kuma defenders. I'm very surprised ngoma defenders and I'm very happy to see lamagama lawa. Khulise Motau obvious, Khulise Motau right back eBafana Bafana with Thabang Motolodi wePolokwane City FC defender now. I'm really happy to see uTylon Smith bafethu. Yabo, I don't know, yabo, I don't know if I'm happy or surprised at the same time, but uTylon Smith emukhumbula kahle bafethu, this young boy was representing iBafana Bafana kwiAFCON and he represented iBafana Bafana encane by the way under 20 League World Cup umjito captain. So ukumbona ebizwa idlalela iBafana Bafana at his young age, it is very yabo unreal. Siyodlala iAFCON right now. iAFCON akusiyona competition wayisancane. So uyodlala iAFCON umjito mfana omncane with uNkosinathi Sibisi, the current captain of Orlando Pirates, oPrimo Diba odlalela iMamelodi Sundowns, mase kukhulumani Ndamani odlalela iTS Galaxy is another player ababiziwe bafethu kwamanye ama-defender beziwe. Siyabonga Ngezana odlala le eRomania, mase kuba uSamkelo Kabini odlala le eNorway, mase kuba uMbekezeli Mbokazi. Yabo, ama-defenders I don't know how to feel regarding these defenders that are here, but ke ngokwami I think bazokwenza umsebenzi with uMbekezeli Mbokazi and uSiyabonga Ngezana as ama center backs, mase uba no Mdau as a right back yakho with uModiba as your left back. I think you have something there. You have a strong defense ezokwazi ukuthi kuwinele ama games. But ke you can tell me in the comments how do you feel about the defense le iBafana Bafana eqhamuke nayo ahead of iAFCON lesiyidlala next month. Actually it's this month, not next month, but also December. Masukuthi ama-midfielders ebafethu uTebogo Mokoena udlalela eMamelodi Sundowns with uBathusi Obas. I don't know how he survived ukuthi abe khona, but ke ukhona uBathusi Obas. Maybe I thought kuzokhethwa kwabanye abadlali, but ke uBathusi Obas bafethu adaqala ukuthi abizwe since sakuthi eSgalaxy. Namanje uHugo Bros uyamthemba kakhulu ukuthi uTalente Mbatha bafethu, uTalente Mbatha ubiziwe naye. Siphelele Sithole is another player who has been called up by Bafana Bafana. So i-ordinary midfield le yaHugo Bros niyayazi bafethu. Yabo, labadlali laba noma bangabuza kanjani ngeke angabalandi abadlali bakhe laba. Yabo, le 4 yalabadlali laba, yabo, noma ngiyenzekalani nizobabona bebizwa uHugo Bros. So kuyangijabulisa kakhulu ukubabona bebiziwe. So kule 4 le kuzodlala abadlali abawu2. Kuzodlala bane Tebogo Mokoena I know uzoqala ukuthi uSithole. It's either uSithole or uTalente Mbatha. Yebo, so sino number 6 about2, mase siba no number 8 about2, mase siya kuma forwards ke. Kuma forwards ke ila iqale ibe tricky khona. Yebo, I was very surprised to see ama forwards uthi awekho ama forwards a10, but akhona ama forwards ane talent eliningi. Inkinga ngithuki forward nje oqala iqalwe Osuna Police uOrlando Pirates, obvious ubezoba khona mfethu the current player of the season wePSL ukhona umjida ubiziwe. Mase kuthi siye kuMhankota, obvious ubezoba khona Tsepang Moremi. He's very good for Orlando Pirates. Evident Makgopa is there, obvious ubezoba khona Makgopa. Lyle Foster, it's very tricky. Bengatshe ukuthi umjito uzoba khona because umukhumbula kahle uLyle Foster mfethu. uLyle Foster with i-current team yakhe iBurnley FC last time siyodlala iAFCON kwakunenkinga ezazikhona, but ke this time bakwazile ukuthi bamdedele. Another player uSipho Mbule Elias Mokwana udlala le eSaudi Arabia. Chandra Campbell, I'm really surprised again to see uChandra Campbell. I thought uChandra Campbell wasn't going to be part of iBafana Bafana, but again, look, Ntwana idlala le kwi-Club Brugge, idlala le eBelgium. Siyohamba nayo right now, siya le kwi-AFCON. I hope to see this boy starting. I hope to see this boy getting some game time. Relebohile Mofokeng is another player bafethu otholile i-call up to play kwi-AFCON, yabo. So nabaka abadlali la aba-on-stand nibona nje bafethu uMduduzi Shabalala number 10 odlalele Kaizer Chiefs, kumbe Ikram Reyners oyi-striker seMamelodi Sundowns, noThabo Moloisane oyi-defender lani oyi-defender leStellenbosch FC. You can tell me in the comments, how do you feel about this group of players ababiziwe, especially on the forwards. I thought Ikram Reyners was going to get a call up to represent iBafana Bafana. You cannot deny the fact that Ikram Reyners is one of the best strikers now in South Africa. Maybe why didn't you take it-track ezo-3? Take it-track ezo-3. Sihambe nawo Ikram Reyners, sihambe nawo uMakgopa, sihambe naye futhi ubani uLyle Foster. But again, I don't understand. Maybe mhlawumbe budget bebenganayo, yabo. But again, he's on standby just in case elimala uLyle Foster, because if you remember uLyle Foster wathinteka. So I think umjida ngenzeka abizwe. You can tell me uthwena, how do you feel? But again, mina ngokwami ngiyakhala ngoThembazwane mfethu, ngiyakhala, but again ngimsoli mfethu ucoach, ngimsoli ucoach because umjida ubelimele all this time. Usathanda kubuya nje igame asathanda kuyidlala le MC Alger. So angimsoli ucoach ngongambizi, umjida usane rastenyana. Ngiyaza isithole isikhathi esiningi sokuthi prepare for iAFCON, because siyoba serious kwiAFCON, asikho dlala, yabo.